cool. I don't know what I'm saying. G'day, my name's Walters.
Today, not only are we building fence, we're teaching someone how to build a fence. Hey Harry, leave that shit, you're coming fencing today.
How do you feel, Harry?
That zoomed really far on my face. Yeah.
Just listen to the excitement in his voice, he just rapped, he can't wait.
Oh, ecstatic.
We've got our post-rack trailer and our Nissan Patrol, and we're off to have some fun. We're going to have a good day.
Good day. I've never heard good day and Nissan Patrol in the same sentence.
I know.
Jesus.
Let's go.
Let's go. First smoko as a fence apprentice. He's got his speed deals and his typical fencer's nutritious lunch of some cold pizza. Fingers down the chain, strainers on, and literally I'm just letting the weight of the wire hang down from my arm. Gravity does the work, and just drop it. That line's perfectly set. If we couldn't do that in one go, someone stands at the other end with a scope, gets it in the right spot, lines the star post up, taps it in, then we set the barb to the star post. I feel how it's just you weight your arms, just drop it. So we're going to use our 2-hole straining plates to hold the strain here. We've already preset these holes, so we'll just get our second one. Plate's bent a little bit, which means enough to hold it. You don't want to over tighten it or you break the head off the tech screw. Now we can release our strainers.
So, how do you feel so far, Harry?
Oh,
How do you feel about fencing life?
it's very overwhelming. Nah, it's pretty good.
He's gonna cry soon. Our next part of the job, we're going to load our PR25 racks. We're not using the bottom holes, we can do that. Over the top, underneath, up around the back, get it nice and tight, down underneath, and 2 twists over the top. Break it off, down the post.
You got that?
Nah.
I'll be interested to see how well he does just from pure
Just from
memory
seeing that.
on just one quick take.
You went over to begin with?
Went like that, didn't you?
Yep.
Such length. It's needing such length.
It's okay, we can always cut it.
Right.
I don't know how the you got it so neat.
The key with high tensile wire is short, sharp moves. So the faster you do the move, the easier the bend is.
Right, so I just...
Make the wire your
There you go, look at it.
Look at that.
That's pretty good from only ever seeing it being done for 30 seconds.
That is. That's actually...
That's very good.
Oh, Mark crossed it.
Yeah. The wire is your
No, it's... I don't want to talk about it. No.
Righto.
Righto, wait, let me just have it. Can you hold it up, please?
They look
So
exactly
this
the
is
same.
Harry's first knot.
It's technically correct.
It's actually not too bad. How do you feel about your first knot?
Snip it here, start again.
Yeah, we'll be doing that.
I know, see how he goes.
That's right. So short, sharp and down.
That's
Look
it.
at that.
Nice. Yeah, and then just again, nice and sharp, pull it back
Straight
all the
up.
way. Nice.
That's the general gist. So with your right hand there, just straight down. That's it.
Got short. No, did it again.
Put your crank handle further away from the knot so you've got more leverage.
Now you can sort of apply your pressure out there.
Mhm.
So if you get sort of preloaded a little bit, and then you just go.
Right. Well, that ain't gonna happen.
Not with that attitude.
You know what? that ain't going nowhere.
Well, not too bad. Not bad first and second attempts. And then just tell them to stop when it lines up. Grab your poster. Yep. And just sort of stab it in. Hit the barb.
Yeah?
Yep. And then with your other hand, flick the button and guide it onto the post. And just tilt it back so it slides down onto the post. There you go. Pretty good there. Yep. Yep, that looks pretty good there. A bit more. Yeah, that'll do. Nice. Yeah, that's good. That'll do. That's perfect.
Day after, here I am. Yeah, fencing's alright, I guess.
Do you prefer it over welding and machining?
It's something different.
Pretty easy for a guy like you.
Yeah, compared to the other fences.
So do you think you could go out tomorrow on your own and
No.
And what are your final words?
Righto, camera's out.
Oh, Spider-Man undies. Hey.